হেল্ল' ডিয়াৰ ষ্টুডেণ্টছ। মই মাজতে বহুত দিন ভিডিঅ' দিয়া নাই, মই অকণমান বিজি আছিলোঁ, তাৰ বাবে তোমালোকে বেয়া নাপাব। এতিয়াৰ পৰা মই সদায় ভিডিঅ' দিবলৈ চেষ্টা কৰিম আৰু মই তোমালোকক কুৱেশ্যন এনচাৰ ভিডিঅ'টো বনাই আছিলোঁ আফটাৰনুন অন দ্য হিলৰ, কিন্তু মোৰ এডিট কৰা হোৱা নাই এতিয়ালৈ গোটেইটো, সেইবাবে মই দিব পৰা নাই। বাট মই অতি সোনকালেই লৈ আহিম, মেবি মই কালি পষ্ট কৰিম, তো তোমালোকে ফ'ল' কৰি ল'বা মোৰ ইউটিউব চেনেলটো এণ্ড ষ্টে টিউনড। আৰু তোমালোকে প্লিজ লাইক কমেণ্ট কৰিবা। বাৰু আজি আমি এটা নতুন চেপ্টাৰ আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ। মই প্ৰথমতে ৰিডিং কৰি দিওঁ, যেনেদৰে তোমালোকে জানাই, তো প্ৰথমতে মই ৰিডিং কৰি দিওঁ, তাৰপাছত মই বুজাই দিম। Chapter 3, A Curious Mind. Science has contributed greatly to our daily lives. Do you agree? Discuss with your friend. Pictures of a few renowned scientists from India are given for you to identify them. Write their names in the given spaces. You can find the names in the balloons. APJ Abdul Kalam, C.V. Raman, Srinivasa Ramanujan, Kamala Soni, Aryabhatta, Shushruta. Let's read the conversation among three children, Nikita, Orgo and Meera, in the following play. Scene 1. Nikita is in her study room and is drawing a scenery. Orgo, her younger brother, is watching her draw the picture. Orgo, what a beautiful picture. But why you painted the sky red? Nikita, it's a sunset scene. Orgo, I have noticed that the color of the sky changes at different times. Why is it so, Nikita ba? Nikita, I don't know. You can ask your science teacher tomorrow. Orgo, you have painted the sky red and you don't know the reason? Nikita, Orgo, you can sit here if you want. Please don't disturb me with silly questions. Scene 2. Meera, a cousin of Nikita and Orgo, enters the room. Meera, what's wrong, Orgo? You look upset. Orgo, I asked something to Nikita ba, but she scolded me instead of answering. She told me not to ask her any questions. Nikita, Meera ba, I was busy drawing a scenery. Orgo irritated me by asking silly questions. Meera, is that true, Orgo? Orgo, I simply ask why the color of the sky keeps changing at different times. What's wrong about asking questions? Meera, nothing. I am really happy that you have a curious mind. Curiosity is the root of many great discoveries and inventions. Orgo, really? Can you explain? Meera, sure. Let me tell you about one of India's greatest scientists, Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman. Nikita, oh yes, I have heard his name. Isn't he remembered on February 28 every year? Meera, that's right, Nikita. We observe the day as National Science Day of commemorate the discovery of Raman effect. Before I talk more about C.V. Raman, let me share with you how his curiosity during a voyage led to a breakthrough in physics. Orgo, I'm very eager to know more. What happened? Meera, okay, listen. In 1921, C.V. Raman, then a young man, was on a voyage. As he gazed at the vast sea, he wondered, why does the sea appear blue? This question led to his groundbreaking discovery of the scattering of light. The phenomenon was named after him and came to be known as the Raman effect. Orgo, that's amazing. A simple question in his mind led to such a great discovery. Meera, exactly. Nikita, I'm sorry, Orgo. I see now why asking question is important. Orgo, that's alright. Meera, we should be inquisitive. Let me quote Raman. Ask the right questions and nature will open doors to her secrets. Nikita and Orgo, that's right, Meera ba. Meera, however, Orgo, please remember it's also important to consider if someone is busy before asking that person a question. And Nikita, make sure that you don't dismiss questions straight away. You can politely ask the person to wait. Nikita and Orgo, we will surely keep this in mind next time. Meera, excellent. Now, would you like to know more about C.V. Raman? Nikita and Orgo, yes, please. Meera, the great scientist, was born on November 7, 1888 in Tiruvannaikaval near Trichinnapalli in Tamil Nadu. He was a brilliant student. He completed his graduation and master's degree in physics. He studied in the renowned Presidency College, Madras. Nikita, I have heard that Raman cleared the Indian Finance Service IFS exam. Meera, yes, he has appointed as Assistant Accountant General, but he left this job to pursue his passion for science. In 1917, he started working as a professor of physics at Rajabazar Science College under the University of Calcutta. C.V. Raman was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in the year 1930 for his work on the scattering of light and for the discovery of the effect named after him, Orgo. That's great. He's India's pride. Meera, he inspires all of us. He was the founder of the famous Indian Academy of Sciences. The Indian Journal of Physics was also founded by him. Nikita, amazing. He contributed a lot to the field of physics. Meera, very true. He was awarded the highest civilian award of India, Bharat Ratna, in 1954. It was awarded in recognition of exceptional service in any field of human endeavor. He breathed his last on November 21, 1970 in Bangalore. Orgo, we have learned so much about C.V. Raman today. It's because of a simple question that I asked Nikita. Meera and Nikita laugh loudly. চ' ইয়াৰে ৰিডিংটো ইয়াতে শেষ হ'ল। মই আগলৈ আৰু ভিডিঅ'ছ লৈ আহি থাকিম। তোমালোকে প্লিজ ভিডিঅ'বোৰ চাবা এণ্ড কিপ ছাপৰ্টিং মি।